Kapuso star Kylie Padilla shared her honest reaction to her Aunt Bibi Gandangari's transition as a trans woman during a recent interview. Actress Kylie Padilla recently opened up about her heartfelt and empowering response to her Aunt Bibi Gandangari's transition during an intimate interview on the YouTube talk show BB Talk. Known for being candid and grounded, Kylie expressed nothing but admiration for Bibi, formerly Rostem Padilla, when she came out as a transgender woman. "You know, my first, honest, real reaction? Oh my God. I'm so proud," Kylie said. "Kasi may ganoon din ako na ang hirap magpakatoto, ang hirap hanapin yung sarili mo." The actress related Bibi's bravery to her own teenage struggles with self-discovery. She revealed that she once faced difficulties in understanding and expressing her identity, which made Bibi's courage even more meaningful. Seeing someone so close to her take such a bold step gave her the inspiration to be more authentic in her own life. Bibi, on the other hand, shared her initial fears about how her transition would be received by her younger family members. "Ang real concern ko doon was the pamangkins because I don't want you guys to be confused," she confessed. But to her surprise and relief, the response was immediate and filled with love. Automatic lahat ng mga nephews and nieces, "Tita Bibi kaagad." "Walang gatol, no questions asked," Bibi said with joy. Kylie emphasized how important it was for her to see someone in her family live their truth so openly. "I'm happy for Bibi Gandangari. At least ngayon, she can be herself now," she added. Their conversation not only revealed a powerful family bond but also underscored the importance of acceptance and living authentic ally. It served as a reminder that personal courage can ripple through generations, inspiring others to embrace who they truly are, with love and without fear.